Cassie here, and today I am going to make a review video of the Fiido D2S, which is a foldable e-bike. I haven't owned a bike since I was around 13, so yeah, hi! So I'm gonna unbox this, build it together, and then take it for a little ride. So let's begin! If my cat allows me. I just love unboxing things. I think I'm opening from the bottom right now. Hey Zelda, are you willing to move? Does your highness approve of another sitting chair? Cool, that's a sturdy cable. Nice. Where do I begin? The seat. You take care of that. Fiido electric bike. Nice, Fiido. Reflector. This product has been Vigo approved. Hey Vigo, are you happy? Oh, finally! Look Stella, you can have your box back. So I guess this is how it looks like when it's folded. Look at these wheels, they're so tiny. But it looks like, it feels really robust. Oh, so cool. I can't wait to have this finished and ready to go. Here you go, it's time to sit down and do some reading. Well, my cat approves of the bike. And oh, you just click it in, and this one just. So the frame is locked. So yeah, it looks pretty sturdy. It's like so compact, and I freaking can't wait to start test driving this. Just everything felt like natural to fold it together. I was looking at it and I was thinking, how will I put this all together? But no, I think everything is ready. It just clicked in, everything. That's for later. It really was that easy. Okay, it's actually gonna be a bit scary to ride a bike again. I haven't done that in years. I don't have a helmet. I should really wear a helmet. But for the test ride, I'm gonna be without a helmet, but I really recommend safety first. So what are my impressions of the Fiido D2S? Well, I am super surprised and I didn't know what to expect really. Maybe it's just the bike riding itself. I've forgotten how much freedom it gives you to just head out. You can go anywhere you want, where you can't ride with a car really. And I'm just thinking, if I bring this to work, I can fold it together, put it in my truck, and if I have a break on a really cool place, I can just fold it up and take a little ride with it and do some filming. I see so many possibilities. And it actually took me a while before I figured out, like, oh, this is where you start the bike. It's just one button push and it shows you how much battery power you have and how fast you're going. And it's like a motorcycle. The throttle is on the right handle. It is really easy and like smooth to use, and it gives you a really comfortable ride. And I tested it in the industrial area, and it turns out you can go around 25 kilometers per hour. That is one loud bird. Nature, can you tone it down a bit? So 25 kilometers per hour, and it's gonna be really interesting to see how it is to ride it to work, because this opens up so many opportunities. Like just riding to work on this, it's gonna be a blast. I'm gonna save so much diesel in just transportation, and I will get out and actually do some exercise, which is good for me. I've been sitting still way too much lately. So maybe that's the downside with having an electrical bike. So I don't have to do so much work pedaling. Oh really though, it's gonna be amazing. There are a few uphill. I have never ridden a bike to work before, but I think there's gonna be a few uphills, and that's when the electric part comes in. So this has been my mission, to use this bike, to test it, to see how it is, and give my honest opinion on it. I really can't think of anything negative to say actually. Unfold your bike and you're ready to go. I think me as a truck driver, and lots of other truck drivers out there probably, would use a bike like this to get to your truck, and also take it for a ride whenever you have the time and opportunities. And thank you to Fiido, who contacted me and asked me to do this review video. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going.